Alright, today I'm doing a review on my tactical M4 Viper assault rifle. It is made by Ignite. Let's see what else it's about. Max velocity 420 FPS with 0.12 gram BBs. It's got 600 rounds per minute, semi-full automatic, rechargeable 8.4V NIMH battery and charger. Adjustable hop-up for BB spin control, high capacity 300 round metal magazine, electric blowback for real feel, and what else? Full metal gearbox, which is always good to have on an airsoft gun. 14-inch barrel, and now time to open up the box and see what we got inside. So the M4 comes in this kind of packaging. Nice cardboard. Take it out. Hold on. Here's the clip. I load up with BBs for the shooting test. Let's get rid of the box for now. Oh, hold on, sorry. Alright, might put everything on the table. Alright, so here's the M4. I think it has a really nice look to it. It's got a Black Ops logo on there. It's pretty cool. Here is your semi and full auto and safety switch. That's on semi, safety, and full auto. There's a metal barrel. So the plastic parts are, that is plastic, that's plastic, that's plastic, that is plastic. Pretty much just the barrel's metal. Hold on, actually, you know what? Yeah, barrel's metal. Yeah, and let's see. Pretty much the whole outer covering is plastic, but on the inside it's a very durable gun. It's got a lot of metal. This thing is a metal. Here's a magazine release button. The trigger. Whoops. Shot an accent. Alright, and now it's got a little unjamming button. I don't know if it actually works for the airsoft gun though. And here's the retractable stock. Goes right there. Goes all the way out. And then I like it all the way out if I'm ever using it. And here's the cock-in handle. It's definitely cool. What I like about this gun is, like, whenever you have this thing and you pull the cock-in handle, it actually works. See? Yeah, that's really cool. And even if you shoot it one time, it opens up right away. Now I'll show you guys the sight. Let's see the sights. It's usually pretty hard for me to get the sights. Hold on. 1 second, please. There's the sight. Now it has two different kind of sights. I think it has one long range sight, which you just have to flip this down, and see, it's a tiny little hole. Hold on, it's kind of hard. Anyway, you get the idea. And if you ever want to take this off, this can come off the top, the rail holder or the carrying handle. You just unscrew these two, and it comes off. Let's see, yeah, it's pretty cool. Now it comes with two slings. There's the sling mount. There's the sling mount, and there's another sling mount. It's plastic, not like a good metal kind. Yeah. Oh, I keep shooting it. Oh well. I'll show you the blowback right now. It's definitely some cool stuff. And now on semi. glue on the clip. It's got a little winding to wind the BBs into the hole right there. You pour the BBs in here. It's about 300 of them, just like the box says. You can just put it in. Hold on. There we go. And today I have a Mountain Dew can filled with water to shoot at. Here, I'll show you. Stand right there. See this little Mountain Dew can, I'll be shooting it on semi. Yep. That was me shooting the can. Let's see what we did. We got a few holes, a whole bunch of dents. Got one big hole right there. See, there's a huge dent, like the can has a crack on the side. There are no exits, so BBs did not exit, but they went in. It's all destroyed. There was a few shots. I did not count how many that was this time, but I'd say the gun's pretty accurate. Yep. That's my M4 review. Hope you all enjoyed. Thank you for watching.